Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're going to explore the inner workings of a common yet fascinating piece of technology, the elevator. So, let's jump right in. Elevators are a marvel of engineering and technology. They've been around for over 150 years and they continue to evolve and improve. The basic concept of an elevator is quite simple. A cabin that moves vertically in a shaft powered by a motor. But let's break it down a bit further. First, we have the elevator car. This is the part that moves up and down, and it's usually made of steel or aluminum. The car is attached to a counterweight, which helps balance the weight of the car as it moves. The counterweight is typically made of concrete or other heavy materials. Now, let's talk about the elevator shaft. This is the vertical tunnel that the elevator car moves in. The shaft is typically made of concrete or steel, and it's lined with metal panels to protect the elevator car from the elements. The elevator car is powered by a motor which is usually located at the top of the shaft. The motor is connected to the car by a series of ropes or cables. As the motor turns, it pulls the ropes or cables, which in turn move the elevator car up or down. Now, let's talk about the control system. The control system is what tells the elevator car where to go and when to stop. It's a complex system that uses sensors, switches, and other components to ensure the elevator moves safely and efficiently. Finally, let's talk about the safety features. Elevators are equipped with a variety of safety features, including emergency brakes, safety doors, and backup power systems. These features help ensure that the elevator is safe to use, even in the event of a power outage or other emergency. So there you have it, folks. A brief overview of how elevators work. It's truly amazing how something as simple as an elevator can make our lives so much easier. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating tech content. Until next time, stay curious.